Stop by and take a look at the 2021 CX-5. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.